Okay, just used the grinder, and I just want to show you the end result. Just keep in mind that, as you can see, it gets very dusty. Make sure you wear a mask, protection gear. I have a fan taking the dust out, at least the majority of it. You can see out here, and I just cut a little hole so I could hook up the new diverter, but it sliced right through that. Look how clean it is. Very powerful, works extremely well. Again, doing the dust. I have it on. I have it on unplugged right now. Got a little warm here, but you don't expect it. But it rocks solid. Came through, well worth the price. So cut right through that. Not even a single problem.
Should be ashamed of yourself. So when I cut it on, so y'all watch out.